St. Michael's Medical Center in Newark has treated more than 600 COVID-19 patients. Well, now it's COVID-free. And so is this patient, released from the hospital after battling the virus for 101 days. News 4 investigative reporter Sarah Wallace has this emotional send-off from Newark.
This was Antonio Mendoza's view from his wheelchair as he left St. Michael's Medical Center in Newark. The 61-year-old native of Mexico now strong enough to wave goodbye. He was hospitalized 101 days, longer than any other COVID patient, and spent 30 days on a ventilator.
I was sure he wasn't going to make it, and he did, and it's truly a gift. So, and it raises everybody's spirits. To see one like this makes you be able to fly for the next 6 months.
Mendoza has no family in the U.S., so in many ways, this hospital staff became his.
You're seeing a family member go home.
It is very, very, very emotional.
A victory for this hospital overrun by COVID patients.
When we see this, it gives us hope. When we all work together, this is the end result.
At the peak of the pandemic, every bed here was a COVID case.
At one point, I had about 150 patients, pure COVID in St. Michael's, plus another 40 on ventilators. We had enough ventilators, we didn't have enough space. I was signing between 3 and 6 death certificates every single day.
The ICU now COVID-free, but Dr. Miller has a warning to those who've gotten complacent about COVID and that surge in other states.
My biggest worry is the resurgence of the disease here. You know, we've gotten so much better, we've gotten over it. To have to go through this again would be a nightmare.
Mendoza is testament to that. He spoke to us in Spanish through a translator, saying the infection was horrible.
He wasn't sure if he was going to make it out alive, and he did, and he's very thankful.
A friend of Mendoza's is taking him in. In the past 2 weeks, there have been no new coronavirus cases coming in here. But since March, 130 people have died. That statistic should serve as a grim reminder. From Newark, Sarah Wallace, News 4 New York.